Welcome back. I'm Dinesh De Silva for those who are new to this channel. Now, in this short video, I will be discussing how to set social media goals in 2021. Now, if you liked this short lesson, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell notification below. And if you do have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comments area. If you have any feedback, if you like this, also let us know. Great to have you join us. Let's get started. How do you set smart social media goals? When you do a social media campaign, when you do digital marketing, it has to be focused on achieving business goals. It's not about likes and shares. Lots of people, we focus on likes, we focus on shares, on engagement. That's all great. But what we really want is we want to achieve business goals. So we really got to think of what's your financial goal that you want to achieve in the next 12 months. Typically, you will say, I'm at this level of revenue. That's in this example I've used. I've said, this particular business, and this is a fictitious business, is at $700,000. And they want to go to $1 million. Some of you might come and tell me, I'm at $1 million, I want to go to $2 million. Some of you might come and tell me, I'm at 150,000. I want to get to 200,000. And some others might say, I'm at 50,000. Can I get to 120,000? Wherever you are in your business, it's about understanding where am I now and where do I want to get to in the next 12 months? And it is based on that we set the strategy. And even when you're doing social media, you got to get these numbers right. If you don't get your goals right and your metrics right to support it, we are not going anywhere. And that's one of the biggest reasons why small and medium businesses across the world are not getting engagement, not achieving results, tangible business results from their social media.